Namaskar. Plastic viable projects. We will discuss today in this series, which is on auto components manufacturing business. This is item number 4. Previously, we have discussed 1, 2, and 3. Now, let us start this item number 4, which is car door handles. It's a very good business, and let us dive in and understand more on this. The car handle manufacturing. It's a multi-crore business, as I told you earlier. And this is a disclaimer, which means that all trademarks, company names, or references, whatever has been given here, that is only used for education purpose. And the right and the property ownership remains with the original owner of this all. Do you know which plastic part every driver touches first on a car? It's car door handles. You hold it and pull it, and you get inside the car. That is how it works. It is made by injection molding process, and the material, plastic material, is ABS or PC plus ABS, polycarbonate and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. I have given here a few examples of the car handles which are used on different types of cars. You can make any one of them or all of them depending upon the OEMs you get in contract with. Usually, 4 pieces of 4 doors are used, and annual demand is around 17 to 18 million units in India as of now, and it's ever increasing. Often painted, this surface of this material is such that it calls for painting as well as chrome plating for better aesthetics, durability, and styling. Car handles are usually supplied by tier 1 vendors because car components are to be absolutely precise as far as dimension is concerned, and the quality and surface finish has to be of 100% accurate. Very high degree of finish is required, and so for that you need a larger setup. And the tier 1 manufacturers, vendors, those who are operating along with working along with OEMs, they can supply their, it is their knowledge. So ideally, one who is trying to take an entry into this business can get into can get in touch with this kind of tier 1 vendors and become a sub vendor. Under their guidance, they can manufacture, supply, learn the business, and once you have felt the pulse of the business, learn the trick of the business, then you can go ahead, go for diversification, go for further scaling up of your business with the same vendor, tier 1 vendor, or different tier 1 vendor, or you can become yourself a tier 1 vendor. That is how the business grows. What are the challenges being faced while you are opting to manufacture this kind of project? Would be, first of all, the product has to be, as I said earlier, absolutely scratch proof, scratch resistant. So you have to choose a material which offers these properties and mold accordingly. Then you have a surface which needs to be chrome plated. So the surface should allow chrome plating, and the plating should stick to it for a long, long time. And the strength, because you are going to pull it anyway several times in a day, depending upon your use, it has to go through that uh, pull every now and then. So it has to withstand that. So it has to be very strong as well as capable, and there should not be any deformation in the handle once it is put into use and action. What are the opportunities ahead? Electric vehicles. This is the call of the day. Every day, number of vehicles on the road, electric driven vehicles on the road are ever increasing, and it will increase, and gradually the time will come when IC engines driven cars will rarely be seen on the roads flying. Mostly it will be electric driven. That is where we are going, we are heading towards. So this is the age of connected cars. We have learned, we have been hearing about Internet of Things, we have been hearing about connected devices, Industry 4.0. So all this allow car handles to develop or even become a device. Car handle becomes a device wherein not only it serves the basic purpose of pulling the door, opening the door, but also it accommodates sensors, it accommodates devices, which makes it smart device. So for any keyless entry system, this is the place where you have to put your sensors. This is the place where you will put your uh, devices, which will allow it to be connected with other equipments. So the simple pool from where it started, all started from the requirement of a simple pool. So you needed a device, you needed, and that device has transformed over the years into a smart device itself. And that car door handles business today is, first of all, it's molded, it's plastics. Now plastics is equal to style plus function. Different functions it will perform, and then it's a huge business at the end of the day. Thank you. If you have liked this video and I was able to contribute something in terms of knowledge, then please like, share, subscribe, and forward this to your friends, your network, so that others may also learn from this. And if you have any question, we'll be pleased to reply to all your emails. If you write an email to us at the given email address, we will try to get back to you with all the details sought for as fast as possible. And also in the comment section below, you can also put a comment of yourself so that we can suitably reply. We are plastic industry consultant, business coach, career guide, and career mentor, and we provide all related support through our videos on YouTube as well as Facebook. And you can seek for any information you need related to business of plastic industries and products, and I will be able to reply as far as plastics are possible very soon. And thanks for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind. See you in the next video.